She asked how the materials match the drawings.
It's actually very simple to make sure that the material of the parts meets the requirements of the drawings. For example, the part I'm holding here is a bracket for a motorcycle from an overseas customer. To ensure that the material meets these requirements, we use several methods. First, the quickest, most convenient, and least error-prone way is to ask the customer if they have a designated supplier. If they do, we simply purchase from the specified factory. This way, the material is effectively guaranteed. Secondly, for any material we purchase, we always require the supplier to provide a composition report for it. We compare the composition report with the customer's material requirements to see if they match. If they do, we can be certain of the quality. Additionally, we need to sign a quality assurance agreement during the process to avoid disputes later on due to material issues. However, just doing these two things is often not enough because in most cases the initiative is not in our hands. The safest method is that after we receive the purchased materials, we conduct random sampling tests. We send the samples to a third-party testing agency to have the material composition measured in detail. This way, we can ensure that the material fully meets the customer's requirements. To make sure our materials are produced exactly according to the customer's drawings, we use these three methods. What do you do to ensure that your materials fully comply with the requirements of the drawings? Discuss in the comments.